Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I share with you how to make this olden days African trading. How I make it on my daughter's hair. So today I'll be using this wool, okay? This wool is called Sudanese wool, okay? So this is the wool I will be using. I don't have the African thread, all right? And this wool did a perfect job. So I cut out the wool like so, and I will be using two strands, all right? I will be using two strands for it. So I cut the wool to a length that is comfortable for me. Okay, don't cut it too long. So I started cutting the hair into the size that I want, and I apply this jojoba oil on her hair. Okay, I don't want the hair to be too oily for this hairstyle, so I apply just little of it in her hair. All right, this African threading is a hairstyle that our grandparents do make during their time. Even in our own time, we also make this African threading hairstyles to school. It's so beautiful. Okay, so I started by cutting the hair, and I picked two strands of the wool, okay, and I start to thread. And note, while threading, after rolling it or threading it on the hair for like 4 to 5 times, okay, you hold the thread with your mouth, or right, your teeth. Just use something to hold it so you can fold it like so. And after I fold the hair, I how will I put it? I roll the thread to the root of the hair, back to the hair, to the root of the hair, back to the hair. As you can see, if you did not get it here, you will get it in the other one I am going to make. Okay, just look at it closely. So after which I started threading. Okay, so how to get that part that looks like what will I call it, that part that makes the hair to fold. Okay, just watch for the next part of the hair, you are going to get it. So I tried it. This hair is so beautiful. It's so lovely. She so much love the hair. So I thread to the tip of her hair. Okay, this is her hair. I still have more hair, so I thread to the tip of her hair. Okay, so please, while threading, all right, while making this type of hairstyle on your daughter's hair, please keep asking if she's feeling any pain, okay, so you can adjust it. During our time, this type of hairstyle is so painful. Some people's hand are so hard. If you have experienced it, you can leave me your comments. Okay, so after threading to the tip of her hair, I noticed, see how beautiful it is. Her hair is very long. So that is that. Look at the second one. I think I should stop talking here, okay? But before I stop, kindly ask the, see, it is not hard. The scalp is not hard. Don't hold it too tight so that they will enjoy it. They won't have any headache, okay? So while I was making the hair, I kept on asking her if she's feeling any pain, and as I am doing it, I am adjusting it for her. So let me just stop talking here so you can pay attention to it. I will talk when I am supposed to talk. Okay, so and as you're watching, please you're kindly give this video a thumbs up if you love it. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. I appreciate you for stopping by. Kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, you are highly welcome to this channel. As you can see, I did not hold the hair so tight from the scalp, okay, else they will feel so much pain. As you can see, she's touching a part, the down of her hair. So I asked her if she's feeling any pain. Okay, I asked her and I adjust it immediately because I don't like her having pain while making her hair, so she can enjoy her hairstyle. So guys, let me keep quiet now and keep watching. Kindly watch to the end, guys. Okay, this African threading is so beautiful. So this is it, guys. I'm done making it. So I realize is her hair is too long for me to leave it like so. All right. So I had to fold it in just like this, and that is it. Thank you all for watching my video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.